Are you ready to elevate your leadership skills and shape the future of business? At Leeds University Business School, our master's programs from the Management and Organizations Department provide the knowledge, network, and hands-on experience to set you apart in our complex and challenging world. But don't just take our word for it. Our rankings and accreditations speak for themselves. We have a QS Top 100 World Ranking for the Business School, an accreditation by the Small Business Charter, and a Triple Crown Business School recognition. In today's fast-paced and ever-evolving business world, leadership, strategy, entrepreneurship, and innovation are the keys to success. At Leeds University Business School, the Department of Management and Organizations prepares you to lead with confidence and vision in a complex global environment. We have an exciting range of postgraduate courses available to you, allowing you to select the course that best fits your background and aspirations.
Our curriculum is designed with industry leaders and policymakers, ensuring you gain practical insights and explore the latest business strategies. From leadership and consulting to entrepreneurship, sustainability and innovation, you'll develop the expertise to make a real-world impact.
As head of the Management and Organisations Department, I look forward to welcoming you in person next academic year. You will study in classrooms like this one, working with our world-class faculty and engage with a diverse international student body. But we also go beyond the classroom with opportunities to interact with real-life entrepreneurs, organisational leaders and your fellow students. Some of our previous opportunities include engaging with our Enterprise Ambassador Network, who have been sharing their expertise with our students for more than a decade. Our Executive Guest Speaker Series, hearing from leading figures in the business and sporting world, attending one of our employability boot camps, our 5-day study tour, visiting and learning from organisational leaders in Europe.
As an offer holder or applicant, you will engage with cutting-edge research and learn from expert faculty who are shaping the future of management practice and policy. Our faculty are at the cutting edge of research initiatives to address wicked problems and grand challenges at a local, regional and international level. Our hands-on approach means you won't just study business, you will live it.
Start your journey at Leeds University Business School today. With a strong emphasis on critical thinking, leadership skills, and real-world experiences, our management programs are designed to shape the leaders of tomorrow. So join us and join a global network of business leaders.